So let's create a data frame. How do we do it? We have the cheat sheet here. And then to create one, we do tired. I need to make coffee. Let's see. So data frame data, the frame res. We could probably book ID, book, maybe we could just make a copy. Book. Or is it the book by data frame? Book ID, book. So it's just the book's data frame. Book's data and copy. Then res df, and we put the cos similarity equals to res, and then sending order based sort data frame by sort values by, basically like this. We're gonna by cos similarity. Let's play data frame. Display res df Print Twitter query. We don't want this. Display res df equals this. Let's see. Similarity sort by the other way around. How can I sort descending? Sort false. No, this is not what I want to do. Sending false. False is like this. False, yeah. And then perfect. And then what did we write? A book about family. About booked from a Colombian author. Maybe we run everything so it stays there. Let's see. Yeah, I'm talking. Uh, 100 real of solitude, that's very good. Ana Karenina. I mean, like, why Ana Karenina? Tolstoy, tal vez. Which books are there here? A book about elves. Let's see, then it should come like The Hobbit. Yeah, oh, that's good. This too. The Book Thief. What is that even? The Book Thief. Set in Nazi Germany. I think that similarity is not about perfect. Perfect, it works. Let's do the next exercise. Let's do the next exercise. Let's come here to how many do we have left? Not that many, right? Search transformer training. I don't think we can do them all, but maybe transformer training we could do today. Ein Buch öffnen. Low. Transformer training. Transformer training. Let's do the translate it to English. Translate all of the text blocks to English. Let's see. Accept. Reference from Maybe I change the color a bit. Let's see how it looks like. Reddish. It looks more calm. Perfect. Let's continue. So, path eagle, blah blah blah. Wait, is this train the test data, train DF, test DF. You get it. Maybe we're wrong everything. Evaluation function, copy the same, blah blah blah. This is the evaluation function, the OC, AUC. Mentioning code questions and text. Okay, how on this before? Literally question and text with answer entries from into vectors using the model research B that results as a copy of questions with and text data frames. That's as a copy of question vector and text vector. So we basically do the same thing that we did last exercise. Self isn't the coefficient test that takes in the transformer model. We basically do the same. So let's get it. Let's get it back. And also put some music because it's a bit low, maybe. No copyright music. Stream. Let's see. But this is not copyright. How about this one? I'll put the thing here. Or is it? Here, the music. Perfect. Let's go. Here's not very nice today. That's fine. Let's go. So, on a bit. We'll do this. Oh. I'm falling asleep. Let's go. Code. So let's bring the other one that we had before. The search that we did actually their function, so I can use it. Let's split this two. Perfect. Where is my function? I remember I wrote that one. Blah blah here. I basically did it. Oh. This is basically the function I wrote, where I did the model. In this case, model is sentence. questions and text data frame. Okay, I encoded only this, but like actually I had to encode the whole thing, so maybe we open the one. Actually it's this one. Let's see how they did it here. I need a coffee to keep going, but then I'm gonna sleep bad. Anyways, let's go. We have this here. No, it's not this one. It's not this one. It's not this one. It's not this one. Here. So basically, what they did is they had them, then they turned this to list. So basically, we do this here. Can we hide this a bit? Yes. But we actually, the text to encode is going to be questions to encode, and then we do a question, and this is from questions and text data frame. We do this question, and then we do text with answer. We have them both, and then we turn it into vectors. This will be question and text to encode. We have this text to encode, and we also want the questions to encode. So let's see. Questions where's this go? We go to the vectors, small string copy, and then question vector. Yeah, I would never. Yeah, we need to. This data frame, we copy it. Equal copy, and then we do this. We do this. I need the coffee, but I cannot drink a coffee this late. I have a Coca-Cola. My hair looks funny. I don't like it. Let's see. It's too much light, I think. So let's see. Oh, I'm gonna drink a Coca-Cola. I'm gonna fall asleep. So let's continue. Where am I? Yes, we add the column question vector and we give it the value of this is wrong, question vectors and text vectors. Wait, and then we give it the value question vector equals to list question vectors, and then we do the same with text vector. Text vector, text vectors, yes. Now we display text, this one. And then we return for the and the result should be appended to the difference a copy. And just run everything. Should work. Yeah, it has text with answer question vector, text vector, yay, perfect. So we did this exercise. Dot function provided. In the following, many functions are defined in the first cell, which in addition to your function must lead to simple version in the model. It's always assume as a label that for each question exactly text with answer located in the same row and train. Oh no, I'm not gonna read the fact. I'm gonna go for a Coca-Cola. I need to focus. My partner brought me a Coca-Cola. I'll be right back for anyone who's watching. I'm gonna bring my slate. This is for evaluation. It's always assumed that for each question that they have to locate it in the same row. I see, so text with answer is the label. Thus, only this one gets a 1 as label, and all others get 0. Okay, so if it gives exactly the same text with answer, then it gives 1, and not gives 0. Sounds good. So, with this level, the cost similarity values between all possible they evaluated using the rock curve approach. So the prediction 0, 1, prediction for each question, 2, 1 for the first. That is maximum similarity for the question under consideration. All other predictions are 0. We then evaluate this prediction. Simple binary classification. In this section, both are applied to the prediction of an all mini version 2 census model on the train and test DF. Matrix, the text vectormatic with cost similarities. Convert cost similarities to prediction. Calculate predictions with label. Okay. Prediction. Display. Wait. Why is it hiding that? Why didn't it put the prediction? It's fun, it shows it, but it's actually commented out. Evaluation for class 1. Roll curve. So it's all very good. I use train DF to improve the model for finding suitable answers using the multiple negative ranking loss. A short example code can be found here at the end of entry. The white is killing me. Can I read that? Is there a dark mode on this? Oh my god, the white will kill me. No, I cannot read that. Maybe I did it on GitHub. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't come out completely. Let me see. Tabs. Not what I want. That's the color. Pink. I'm putting important. HTML element style. I'm gonna put like ideas. It's using the color from where? From here. Pink. Perfect. Let's do white smoke, and we put the background to black. Background black, but maybe a softer black. This is white, right? Black is oh, maybe I just Google it. Dark gray hex. That looks nice. This one looks nice. So not completely black, but a bit. Oh, they didn't copy. There. Okay. Bro. Yeah, here too. Why are you still? It's probably because of it's a bit annoying. The background is there. Background. Okay, and this one never changed the background. Looks still very dark. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that looks a bit better when I don't have the whole day. What did he want me to see? Gradient for multiple negative ranking loss. Oh, ranking loss. Yeah. Maybe we change also the code things to free background. Perfect. Standard native king loss. So blah blah blah. Pull negatives at the end of it. So it's basically this. But the directions. Arc sentence argument. I just open it. Yeah, I just don't. Oh, again. Oh yeah, okay. Here. Model. Oh, this is a good example. Losses. We import sentence transformer losses. Basically, this. Maybe we don't even need this thing anymore. Arguments. Sentences returning arguments. The city use it. Yeah. Where are we? Tension loss. Loss trainer. So it trains it basically like that. Can I get the other one, please? Give me an example with the one we need. Let's see. Oh god. Args. Train argument. Ah, it's here. I was. God, so. Oh no, this is not it. What we need is the. Should just join this too. God. Yeah, then it says here. Can I hide you? No. And then we are looking for the multiple negatives ranking loss. So yeah, here. And then here. And then loss trainer, transformer trainer model, and then arcs equals to their arcs, right? Arcs equal arcs, and you want to see that first. The example with arcs equals. I saw it before, yeah. Put it after, so I just do this. I don't know if the order matters in yeah. Let's see. We train it, and then what do we do? Training, fine tuning. Train df. Train df. Let's see. Let's run it. Are you complaining? They're in their column names. Where is it? Where are you? Where do we put the column names? Should be here, right? Arcs. Trainer. Data from where is the column names? Names. Oh, I know. Oh, okay, it's still here. See. It's running. Yeah, column list, because we have to give it the columns. How is it gonna know? But we don't have the time. So let's see. Let's see. input example, train example. No, this seems to be kind of expensive. Or like an input, you want for the code. You're not, bro. Shouldn't be like this. Train. I doubt it's gonna be like this. No. Uh, from pandas dataset, put from dataset from pandas df. Uh, God, this is so slow. From pandas df, like this. But I'm a bit confused. How does it know, like the where what it should train to, like? How does it know what it should train to? Pairs of related text. But I never told it which columns were which. That's 4, so did we return anything? We didn't return anything. Did we need to return anything? Loss, args, train df, trainer, train df, model. Confused. How do I save the result for evaluating it later? This is a safe pre-trained method. Will give the model configuration. We should later use. Can I not put the results in the like we always do so we can evaluate? Oh, you went crazy. But like, let's see what it does. Well, the fine-tune model output. Yeah, I think I just accept that I'm not in the mood to do this whole thing manually. Let's just check it. Alright, so you get the model output and we can evaluate it. Let's see. When did it fail? Right here. Train. Res equals save pre-trained fine-tune model. Trainer.model. Okay, res fine-tune model. It's actually trainer.model. Model. So let's run this thing again. And then let's run this one. And then evaluate for one class. Very nice score. Area under the curve. It's actually worse. Oh, it's nice. So no, it's worse. It's worse or better. I think it's enough. Let's see. Guess how many exercises more do we have? I have one more than I could do later and tomorrow. Now let's do the Vim tutorial. That's what I wanted to do. Now I'm allowed. I installed Vim somewhere. Neo Vim. Blah 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 blah. Mac. Install now. Blah. I installed it. I installed Neo Vim with root. I guess just Neo Vim. Let's see. So Neo Vim. No. I'm pretty sure I installed it. Brew install Neo Vim. Let's see if it's a something. I know it's downloading it. No, it's still, it's reinstalled, it's installed. And Vim. Nice. Right. So leave. So now let's get the plugins. GitHub. This one. But it's for Lua. As it seems like to be in this. It's to be for Lua, right? Move from VS Code to NeoVim. Can I make this black? Okay, I don't want to do it manually again. No, I want to switch. NeoVim. Ah, there's a tutorial. NeoVim. What was it? Vim tutorial. Tutorial. Substitute. Tutorial. Command. Tutorial. Let's see. Instead of reading the text bar, here's the tutorial to learn first Vim commands. Teach them hands-on execute tutorial. So let's start. I have it here. I'll make it bigger. Maybe I'll change the title of the stream then now, because I'm done with machine learning for today. Learning NeoVim. Then let's put like bug, right? Code. Now where is it? Like this pixel emoji. This one. Vim. Help to tutor. Welcome to NeoVim tutorial. This is a very powerful. There has many commands, many people and should this there is censorship enough. The story set up to teach to by you. That means that you need to do the extra to learn properly. You only read the text. Make sure that your cap locks us up and press time some of the courses for the lesson. Need to fill the screen. The commands in your lesson will modify the commands in the lesson will modify. What about missing the things up? Remember pressing escape and then U will undo the latest changes. Let's see. Focus, question. So now let's J. and type enter on links like this. To open the link section. I went too much. We founded Arthur. How do I escape? No. Zoom to any word. There is nice one to your left. When there is a nice, I just read to this, I will turn. Imagine you can see how times you'll. Oh wait, it's not showing. Why? Not showing new Vim. What did it break? I'm in the second screen. It's funny. Let me just restart. Yeah. For some reason it broke. Yeah. Perfect. So our presumed escape of text within moving the cursor. Press H L Alright, that's press the escape key. Before seeing any of this written this was this. Why does it want me to quit? Note, before exceeding any of the steps below, read the entire lesson. Okay. Go to this quits the editor, open Neovim to get back here so that go to this tutorial. And you got into this tutorial, that might be tutor enter. If you execute step, re-enter the editor. Okay. Vim tuto enter. Yeah, back. Now I have to go back. Move the cursor down to lesson. Press X to delete a character. There's the cursor. line below marked X. To fix errors, move the cursor to the line below marked X. I'm gonna put it, okay, yeah, I guess here. To fix the errors below, love this, or above, not below. To fix the remove the cursor to on top of the cursor to be deleted. Okay. Now that the line is correct to the lesson. Now that the line is correct, go to lesson. Wait, this is not correct. Jumped over the moon. Yay. As you go through start, do not try to memorize or anything. You're knowing her respond as you return to the start for a refresher. Okay. Okay. I'll do that. Let's see. And then insert, there was. Why can't I go up? Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, I got still confused. Right, it's more like this. Press E to insert text. Now the cursor below the first line below marked X. Here. To make the first line the same as the second. Correct. Move after where the text is to be inserted. Press E. And the cursor. But what are the additions? Okay, press E as each error is fixed. One second. There is text missing this. There's some text missing. So let me see. No. We'll make the first line, move the cursor on top of the first character after the text end. This is some text missing from this line. Oh, okay. Now I get it. Oh. It's hard. Oh. Missing. This is some missing from this line. When you're going to table of the lesson, editing appending. Press add to append text. Oh my god, long tutorial. Oh, sorry. Press add to append text. Move the cursor to the first line below the mark. It doesn't matter what character the cursor is in that line. Mark the X. It doesn't matter on what character the cursor is. Press A until the necessary addition. Then move the cursor to the second line and repeat the steps to correct the sentence. Okay. There is some text. There is some text missing from this line. Then sorry, here. Then means same here. Pending text, move to list 1.6, editing a file. Quick note, before you leave this, read the entire lesson. Exit this tutorial. Do the following there. Exit the children. First to edit, use a file that might. Insert and delete text as you learned in the previous lessons. And you'll need to press enter. That's a photo of 3D. Do them. Okay, let's leave. Now we do in Vim tutor. And then we add some text here. Lol. Do xq. Was it? I forgot. X, but I don't think it was X. And Vim tutor. J. And they move quicker. It was QW. All changes to the character at the cursor type X. Now deleting comments. Let me show your normal mode. There are some words found that don't belong paper in this sentence. Words that don't belong in this are I missed this one. I got those, huh? No, that's not what I want to do. The $sign. Somebody typed the end of this line twice. No. The $sign. Okay, but I did it. Yeah. Let's see. From operation and motion. Demotion. Short list of motion until the start, excluding to the end of the word, including those. Count for motion. Typing a number repeats it that many times. Move the cursor to the start. Type 2W to move the cursor. The end. Type of what? So type W3A and of the third word for type 0. Let's see. I never updated the string. Done. No, it doesn't update. Use line. Using count to delete more. This ABC line is ABCDE. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Move the grid to the first uppercase word of this one. Type delete 2 words. Delete 4 words. Delete 3 words. Right there. Let's see. Let's see. That's not what I want to do. That's cool. Undo command. Fix the whole line. I need to fix the whole line. The corner, the line below the mark. Type X to delete the first unwanted character. Type O to undo the last commit. Exam this time fix all the errors and line using the X command. Now type state. So do you want me to? Oh, that's not what I want to do. This. No, not what I want to do. No, not what I want to do. No. No. How do I move to the thing? Good, how to move to W. They're not go up. There is one in the, so we delete the first one. Don't type based on the last command executed. Now type, now this time we line command x errors this and replace with undo. And if I do this, then it returns to the basic. Okay. Non-type. So I do it here. Control R. Oh, know what I wanted to do for sure. We then I do like, yeah, like, perfect. Maybe this. Maybe this. Yeah, I'm around here. So let's do it again. Replace them with undo. And then it's just use Control R for undo. Alright, the newest change. Doesn't work. When I did like the other. Okay, whatever. No, this thing stayed here. Okay, anyways. And do the redo. There is no more to listen to summary, and I think I'll stop here because I have to go to bed. It's a bit late. Let's see. Put the command. Okay, now we stop here. Listen 3. No, 1. Here. We stop the day stream. I think it's enough.